Kangabok Congress MLA Okram Surjakumar has expressed that the Manipur budget, which was presented by Union Finance Minister, fails to fulfill the need of people of Manipur. Speaking to media at his official residence at Babupara today, Okram Surjakumar maintained that the ongoing conflict in the state has shattered the economy of the state. It has hugely impacted on means of livelihood for people. People in the state had huge expectation from centre to present a budget that addresses the issues faced by people in the state. However, the budget was just a modified version of the budget which the state government was planning to present before the imposition of President's rule in the state. Speaking further, Surjakumar said 50% of the total of amounts sanctioned in the budget will be used up in payment of loan, salaries and pension. And after that, little will be left to carry out developmental projects and work for common people. While maintaining that most of the roads in both hills and valley are in pathetic conditions, the MLA maintained that budget did not reflect anything in this regard. While accusing centre of ignoring the suffering of people of Manipur, MLA Surjakumar said that the budget also undermined the interest of various small business owners in the state who have taken loan to run their businesses. People had expected a moratorium for business owners who have taken loans from various financial institutions so that the business can be protected from declaration of non-performing assets. The MLA also highlighted that the 35 crore rupees earmarked by centre to provide housing support to over 12,000 internally displaced families is not adequate and will not serve any positive purpose.
Manipur ki project parliament da table taukraba budget estimates amasung supplementary amadi board on accounts committed liability ni mamang ni chahi gi chatnaba yadaba government gi liability mama si chatkinaba haidna pass tobani puthoiba table toriba budget estimate se proposed budget estimate asi hanagi leiramba lenga aduna handaki phamudar assembly da puthoke toramba adugi budget to kari ta semdoktana parliament da table tobani haidna ai thamjage BJP Congress NPP party laibiriba mayam NPF laibiriba mayam sing da laibiriba mayam je loina maki Manipur gi bene party gi adu lagi difference laitana union government pai bi sida akoi masidi Manipur na kano to ngam da nate Manipur government na masidi government na union government na fill up to bi na mu haidana akoi pressure to hum thoke state sina khars to go expenditure sida 50% di tolo pithopada loan gi interest singbada pension di bada sida loi sat kre aduna almost 50% di total expenditure da sakra ga di enga sai thamjaki duni akoi development projects in the koi karibta magai changthang ba maroi haidana masi budget sida reflect to wi haidana ai thamjage